Thinking about moving in 2026? You're not alone. Ohio is increasingly becoming a top destination because it combines affordability, world-class schools, and a high quality of life that's hard to beat. In fact, housing costs in the Buckeye State remain roughly 37% below the national median, making it a haven for families and young professionals alike. Today, we're counting down the top 5 cities and towns in Ohio to live in 2026 based on the latest rankings for safety, economy, and community vibes. 5. Lima, the accessibility king. Starting our list at number 5 is Lima, recognized by U.S. News and World Report as one of the best places to live for 2025-2026. Lima is perfect for those who value their time and their wallet. Why it's a winner? It boasts an incredible average commute time of just 15 minutes. Affordability, with a median home value of around $91,956, it is one of the most affordable cities in the state. The vibe? Under its Better Together plan, the city has seen strategic investments in neighborhood revitalization and support for local small businesses. 4. Hudson, the gold standard for families. If safety and education are your top priorities, Hudson is a must-watch. This historic town consistently ranks as one of the safest and most prestigious places in Ohio. Education, Hudson City schools are top tier, frequently earning 5-star ratings and A+ grades. Lifestyle, you'll find a charming New England-style downtown and over 1,100 acres of parks. Stability, it's a high-income, high-awareness community where safety is a shared value, making it ideal for professionals and education-focused households. 3. Columbus, the Silicon Heartland. Ranking 3rd is the state capital, Columbus. By 2026, Columbus is firmly established as a national leader in growth. Massive investments from Intel and a $3.9 billion battery plant deal by Honda are bringing thousands of high-paying tech and manufacturing jobs to the region. Urban innovation, the city is currently building the Capitol Line, a $100 million pedestrian and bicycle loop connecting downtown districts modeled after New York's High Line. Housing options. While the market is competitive, a record-shattering wave of new apartment deliveries in late 2025 has given renters more options in negotiating power in popular areas like Delaware County and downtown. 2. Mentor, the top-ranked all-rounder. Our runner-up is Mentor, which recently secured the #1 spot on U.S. News and World Report's list of the best places to live in Ohio. Quality of life, Mentor is praised for its high desirability and job market. Amenities, residents enjoy excellent access to Lake Erie and a wide array of parks and retail options. Value, it offers a strong balance, providing a high quality of life while maintaining a cost of living that remains manageable compared to national averages. 1. Marymount, the ultimate village experience. Taking the #1 spot is Marymount, a suburb of Cincinnati. It consistently ranks as the #1 best place to raise a family in the entire state. Unique charm, Marymount is famous for its stunning Tudor architecture and a walkable village square that feels like stepping back in time. Top-tier schools, its school district is often ranked as the best in the state, providing world-class education in a tight-knit environment. Community, if you want a place where everyone on Main Street knows your name, this is it. It offers a rare combination of elite status and small-town warmth. Whether you're looking for the tech-driven energy of Columbus or the quiet, safe streets of Hudson, Ohio in 2026 has something for everyone. Which of these cities would you pick? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more real estate insights and city tours. See you in the next video.